After 7 long and at times dramatic weeks in court, it all came down to today's closing argument in the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial. Welcome, everybody, to Entertainment Tonight.
Drugs, alcohol, abuse, self-harm, just some of the wild allegations and testimony we've heard. And now it's up to the jury to decipher it all.
Mr. Depp knows that he can turn into a monster.
She came into this courtroom prepared to give the performance of her life, and she gave it.
In Mr. Depp's world, you don't leave Mr. Depp. And if you do, he will start a campaign of global humiliation against you.
We ask you to give Mr. Depp his life back by telling the world that Mr. Depp is not the abuser Ms. Heard said he is.
I think both sides did a phenomenal job. The one thing that I think Heard's team excelled in was the ability to make a more general commentary on what domestic abuse is.
We ask, ladies and gentlemen, that you hold Mr. Depp accountable for his actions.
Thank you so much.
Amber seemed upbeat walking in today, and Johnny, he waved to fans outside and commented about the growing crowd of spectators.
There's been a multiplication out there.
And as if the trial wasn't already surreal enough, phones started buzzing in court warning of severe weather.
There appears to be an Amber Alert, but I think we're okay.
Both teams guided jurors through the evidence, photos, videos, magazine covers, and audio recordings.
I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you. You are such a baby.
There is an abuser in this courtroom, but it is not Mr. Depp. And there is a victim of domestic abuse in this courtroom, but it is not Ms. Heard.
The case went to the jury at 2:57 p.m. Eastern Time. Legal analyst Julie Rendelman says there's a lot of information for jurors to sift through.
The judge has given them a laptop which contains most of the evidence that they're going to be considering. And you have to realize that the jury has to come to a unanimous decision. That is a difficult task, and so it may take quite a lot of time for them to come together.
Can I also mention that people have traveled from as far as Europe to be at that trial every day? It's wild.
It is wild. Y'all go back to work.